This is the new ASUS ZenWiFi, and I'm John. Today we're going to unbox the ZenWiFi and show you how easy it is to set up. ASUS ZenWiFi is the latest mesh Wi-Fi system. It blankets your home with seamless Wi-Fi, is painless to set up, and the modern aesthetics fit with any style. I have a box of ZenWiFi with me today. As you can see, it's the mesh Wi-Fi system and comes with 2 packs. Let's take a look inside. There's 2 ZenWiFi routers and 2 power cables, an Ethernet cord. It doesn't matter if you own a set of ZenWiFi AX or ZenWiFi AC. With the ASUS Router App in your phone, these are all you need for setup. So let's get started. Place your ZenWiFi routers about 2 meters apart from each other. Plug in power for both routers and turn them on. Then choose one of them to connect your modem and the WAN port of ZenWiFi with an Ethernet cord. When both the routers' lights turn blue, you're ready to go. Install the ASUS Router App from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. After it's downloaded, turn on the Bluetooth and open the app. Press the big setup button and then choose the ZenWiFi series routers. Once your routers are found, touch them to connect. Then press Get Started to create your network. Fill in your name and password for your Wi-Fi network and admin account. Press Apply and wait for 3 minutes. And voila, your Wi-Fi system is all set. There's no additional setup necessary for another router. Once the lights on your router stop pulsing and turn to solid white, you're free to unplug the node and place it anywhere you may have dead spots. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your Wi-Fi.